The plunger rod drives the plunger to push the caulk through your caulk gun. The plunger rod is used with standard 10-ounce caulk tubes. The plunger rod can be accidentally bent if the gun is dropped. It might be lost if you convert the gun back and forth from 10-ounce tubes to 20-ounce. Replacing the plunger rod is a repair that you could do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cartridge holder from the caulk gun. Next, I'll remove the plunger. Now remove the plunger rod from the gun. Now I can install the new plunger rod. I'll need to transfer the handle from the old rod to the new. The handle is secured with a screw. It's a number 25 Torx security fastener, so I'll need a special driver to remove it. The driver has a hole in the middle that matches the pin on the screw. You'll notice the rod has a pin on the top. The pin slides into the slot on the handle, and I'll secure the handle with the screw. Now insert the rod back into the caulk gun. Now I can reinstall the plunger. I'll place the plunger over the rod and secure it with the screw. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cartridge holder. And that's how you can install a new plunger rod in your caulk gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.